effective. So what's a univariate analysis? As I said the other time, univariate analysis is an examining one variable at a time. So most of the time it's a numerical variable. We use a histogram to plot the distribution. KDE plot, we never talked so much about it. Box plot, we talked about it. Summary stat, we talked about it. For a categorical column, the way we do the univariate analysis is by doing the value cans, bar charts, and pie chart. Um, Let me just show here. This is a univariate analysis of uh, price per kg, and we see how the distribution are. We also have the box plot here, and we do not really have any extreme outliers. It looks very symmetric. Uh, let's also check for this is for categorical variable. We use bar charts and the value counts. Uh, so we just use this is count by products and this is count by city. Um, if you go through the notebook, you can use the code that has been used here, copy it and use it to plot the histogram. You just have to change some variables there, play with it, get some error, then come back. If you have some error, let's do it together. Um, let's also check this. This is a distribution of quantity, kg. This is just a bar chart. No, this is an histogram. This is an histogram because we are checking how many times the number appears. Or yes, the number appears. That's an histogram. Now, bivariate analysis. Bivariate analysis is examining relationship between two variables, like we did for Pearson correlation. We try to check two variables and how they relate to one another. For numerical, if we are comparing two variables that are numerical and numerical, we use scatter plot or line plot. I think we should have something like here. So we are comparing quantity kg versus total sales. So here we see that it has a positive correlation as we have seen here. Quantity and total sales, positive correlation. So the movement, the upward movement of total sales is accompanied by upward movement of quantity. So this causes a positive relationship. If you draw in the straight line, it's going to be moving upward. If it is a negative relationship, it will be going from left to right. If it's positive, it's going from left to right, but in an upward position. If it is negative, it's going from left to right to the low bottom corner from. So that is just about that. Um, let's show this is for comparing multiple categorical variable. Uh, that is a box plot, categorical variable versus numerical variable. Please take notice of this. This is very important that it helps you to understand what chart, what type of visualization are you supposed to select when you want to do your exploratory data analysis. If you have a numerical variable and a numerical variable and you want to compare and analyze the two as a bivariate analysis, then you should go for scatter plot and line plot. If you have a categorical variable versus a numerical variable, then you should be considering using a box plot or a bar chart. If you have a categorical versus categorical, you should probably use a bar chart. Um, that is for that. Now, if you have a continuous time, a variable that you want to compare with time, then you should use a line plot. Yeah, this is a line plot. Um, think it's a line chart. Yeah, call it line chart. So we talked about identifying outliers.